Hello everyone, I am Karan. I want to talk today about screen sharing on Cosmos. So screen sharing is really important for both meetings and also co-working sessions. I am going to start to demonstrate how you can start to use screen share, the basic setup of it. So in the bottom blue control bar on your Cosmos tab, you'd see the mic and camera mute buttons. Just next to them, there's this button which says start screen sharing. Once you press that button, you are given three options: one for slow connection, the other for optimizing for text readability, and the third for watching video content or broadcasting video content to people in a meeting. Let's, for this example, choose text readability. That's the one you should use generally. And then after pressing the button, you get to choose select screen. You're given the option between entire screen, window, or a Chrome tab. If you choose Chrome tab, you can even choose to share the tab audio. Say, for example, you're playing a YouTube video. But for the purpose of this example, let's stick with the entire screen. I just choose the screen, I share. Now, if you guys haven't given share screen permissions, you might see this error. Now, to fix this, it's really simple. We have to give Chrome permissions to record the screen. So let's head out to System Preferences. In System Preferences, we go to Security and Privacy. You click on the lock to allow to authenticate. Once you've done that, you get access to changing the settings. Let's scroll down to screen recording. In screen recording, you can see my Google Chrome doesn't really have the permission to record the screen. So I just tick this. Once I tick this, I need to restart my Chrome. So let's just quickly do that. Coming back to Cosmos, putting the link in, and jumping back into the office. Now, once I'm in the office, let's start to screen share again, and I'll do this here only and choose text readability, the entire screen, share screen. Voila, my screen is sharing. We give you a small screenshot or a small preview of what you are sharing. Please mind that this is not the size others will see. Others will see a full screen and will be able to even maximize it even further. If you have any other issues with screen share, please feel free to reach out to support@cosmos.video. But that's it for this video. I'll see you soon. Thank you.